First, I want to take you to my first point right now, which is creation is a result of the light. Amen. Creation is a result of light. Now, I know that sounds a bit broad. But how is it that creation is a source of the light? Well, for one thing, we said that light is divine energy. Amen.
Amen.
From the presence of God. And we said it's the source of all creation. That's for one. For two, doctors and scientists have proven that something happens when the sperm cell enters into the egg. When the sperm cell enters in the egg, they said something happened. What happens at that moment, they said, there is a burst of light. A burst of light. What they call it is a spark. They call it a spark, but is what they say it is zinc. Amen?
Amen.
Now, it's not the type of light that can be seen with the naked eye. It's a form of light that can only be seen with a special type of microscope. Amen?
Amen.
But when that microscope home in on that particular matter, what it sees at the time when the sperm cell and the egg connect is boom, life that derived from light itself. All they see is light around that egg. Amen.
Amen.
Leaving some to believe that it is supernatural. Something is supernaturally taking place at the moment of conception. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So, but here we understand it because we have an idea of what light is. So for those of us that understand God, it's no strange matter that light would exist in such a moment. Because we know that God is light and he is life. And he's the source of all creation. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. You are the light of the world. At the moment of fertilization, a human egg releases a burst of zinc, which can be observed as a tiny flash of light. This is called the zinc spark. It is not visible to the naked eye, but can be observed with a special type of microscope.